So this is an incredibly common issue. I'm going to tell you why, and I'm going to tell you what I recommend. My son has been on itraconazole for months now, off and on. He makes big improvements. We stop giving it, then he slowly goes back down and has to start again. We can't stop the cycle. So the reason that the candida keeps coming back is because the environment, the gut, is not optimal. And even sometimes when we do all these amazing things with our diet, which is incredibly impactful, there are still underlying viruses like Epstein-Barr virus or the monovirus, or there's viruses that are lying latent in our system, and our immune system is incredible at memory and reactivation and storing. And as long as these underlying infections or viruses are hanging around, it is going to create an environment in the gut, in the body, to keep reactivating other issues. That can present as candida, then everything kind of snowballs together. You can get parasites, maybe heavy metals are what's triggering it. So it is so important to dig a little deeper and balance the immune system and the gut microbiome. When we do that, amazing things happen. Not only that, but medications have side effects. Medications are not addressing that root cause. That medication is not getting rid of that underlying EBV virus or whatever. The medication is breaking down the fungal wall and eliminating the fungus, but it actually affects normal cells as well. And there are some studies showing brain atrophy and other things that happen when we take itraconazole particularly. So my greatest recommendation and my protocol, and I can tell you firsthand that the immune modulators, if you go to my page and you go to the link, I have a free guide that's very comprehensive, and I highly suggest that you download and read. But underneath that are immune modulators. I highly suggest you be on those 2 immune modulators. And the green and white bottle, when you go to that link, there's also a product called Core. It is a postbiotic. It has colostrum. It has the immune modulator blend as well. And I have single-handedly experienced and watched food allergies completely dissipate, candida constantly, every single month, every other month, candida over and over gone, because it is addressing the immune system. It is enhancing our own body's immune system. It is not a supplement. It is up-regulating the Th1, Th2 pathway balance. It is helping the dendritic cells on our gut lining to work properly, to understand what is something that should be grabbed and removed, what is something that is good for the body. You're healing the gut, you're addressing the immune system. You are allowing the body to do the work. You're not just supplementing. Methyl B and folate and all of these things are imperative for the body, but if our cells are not healthy to absorb, to utilize, then we're fighting an uphill battle. So if we get down to the cells, if we support our immune system balancing system, the body will better understand the way it is supposed to, what is an invader, what is not, how to function as a whole and not see candida anymore, get out of that cycle. Also, please message me if you guys have any questions. I know this is a lot.